Hey everybody, I'm down here, up here. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. Well, today I've got a project going on. I am going to make survival seed banks. I know some people sometimes think I'm crazy. Other people think I'm always crazy. Hey, whatever. This stuff was on clearance, and I bought what they had left. Alright? Okay, flowers are not survival. But I got a lot of flowers. I'm going to take and sort out all the flowers first and put them into a bag off to the side. I will, though, be sorting them separately and later. So I have a lot of work here to do. All of these flowers and all of these seeds, they were all mixed in, and I just went and did a bulk deal. So I want to take all the vegetable seeds and join them up in groups. There's herbs, there's vegetables of all kinds in here. And I'm going to group things together to related foods. And I mean like one of each, like there's pumpkin, there's an eggplant, there's a turnip, there's a cilantro, there's a sweet pepper. And I'm going to make survival seed banks in groups. So each survival seed bank will have a variety of seeds in it. Some of these I'll be probably giving out as gifts to some friends of mine. And others, if there's enough, I have no idea what I have here. But I got a lot of work to do sorting this out. Let's find out what we got. So, after considerable time, I have my seeds sorted all together. Tried to do it in related type things. So, and there's one stack of cilantro and 3 stacks of cilantro. And I've got a lot of flowers. I'll deal with them later, separately. So now I'm going to pick and choose groups, and then hopefully my vacuum sealer will work, and we'll get these sealed up and have a survival seed bank. So I've got 4 nice matching sets. Very nice. And that's all I can get. I'm getting some holes in here of what I've got. But what I'm going to do with what's left here is I've got some herb sets, I've got lettuce type sets, I've got tomato type sets, I've got different things I can add in here to make a decent set of seeds. Oh, funny, I forgot the beans. I'll put the beans in there. I got everything but beans. Well, anyway, it looks pretty. So I've got a vacuum sealer bag. This is a vacuum sealer I've not tried myself, so we'll see how it works. My other one died. So I've got a good variety. I've got spinach, lettuce, tomato, beefsteak tomato, cherry tomato, eggplant, radish, turnip, carrot, sweet corn, yellow squash, green zucchini, watermelon, cucumber, pumpkin, cantaloupe, cabbage, green peppers, and a bell pepper mix. Looks good. And some beans. So I am going to slide these up in here as well as I can. Get them all in here and make myself a survival seed vault. What do you think of that? A survival seed vault. I'll vacuum seal it tight, and we'll have ourselves a nice, safe, happily protected seed bank. And that will be good for a couple years like that, actually. Not bad. Let's see how that thing works. Here's my dryer, vacuum sealer. It's a food saver. I haven't used this myself. I don't even remember where I got it. I've had it for years in the box. I think it was from a garage sale or something. I got it for free or something. Well, anyway, I am not going to record me attempting to do this because I've never done it. I don't know how well it works. My old Denny died. It won't seal anymore. So I'll be back in a minute once I get this figured out. Actually, that worked really nice. Wow, I like this machine. Like I said, I've had this machine for a long time. That makes a stiff, beautiful stiff package. Look at that. Well, there, guys, is a survival seed bank that takes very little space. It's really thin. I think next time I will shake that up and get all the seeds in this mixed up and flat so they're not all bunched up in one spot. But that is a beautiful turnout. I like how that worked out. Well, there's one. I'll get the other ones in there. Well, there you go, guys. I've got 3 done. I'm leaving one out so I can photograph and catalog what's in it. Makes no point to do all that and have no idea what's in it next year. Anyway, I've got a lot of seeds left to process. I'll do different groupings based on related type vegetables with smaller packages. But it's been a fun way to spend a rainy day. So that's it for now. I'll just carry on with all this, and then later I'll do flowers as well. Please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't, because you absolutely never know what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Please subscribe to my Patreon site for special video clips and unique giveaways. And check out Michigan Prospectors, where I'm also doing some cool, fun gold mining, panning, prospecting, gemstone exploration, cool stuff. So check it out, guys. Talk to you all later.